Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide multiple payment gateway when users select specific value from drop down in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see drop down. So when customer select plan drop down, then we are going to hide multiple payment gateway. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to hide multiple payment gateway when customers select specific value from drop down. Now go to checkout page. Now you see drop down. Now right click on it, and then you see inspect, so click on it. So we are going to find out name or ID attribute. Now you see select, and then you see name billing underscore woo CCM 11. Now copy name attribute or ID attribute. Now back to code. Now scroll down. Now you see variable field, and then you see select, and then you see name attribute billing underscore woo CCM 11. Now paste. So you can add your name attribute here for drop down. Now scroll down. Now you see payment gateway, and this is our option value of plan. Now back to checkout. Now drop down select, you see self plan agency, and then in inspect element you see option value, and then you see value self, value plan, value agency. So you can add your value in code. Now you see value plan, so we are going to add value. Now copy plan, back to code. Now you see we added array plan, and then you see unset gateway, COD for cash on delivery, BACS for direct bank transfer. So you can add your payment gateway. If you want to add more payment gateway, copy this line. Now paste, and then you can add your payment gateway ID. So there are multiple ways to find out payment gateway ID. On left side you see WooCommerce, and then you see settings, so open it. Then you see payment tab, so click on it. Now you see all payment gateway, and then you see check payment, so click on it. Then in URL you see section is equal to, and then you see payment gateway ID check. Now copy, back to code. Now paste here. So when customers select plan from drop down, then we are going to hide 3 payment gateway: cash on delivery, direct bank transfer, and check payment. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see drop down, and then you see we have 5 payment gateway. So when customers select plan gateway, then we are going to hide direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. Now go to drop down, select plan. Now you see loading, and then you see our 3 payment gateway hide. Now only see credit card, PayPal. So our check payment, direct bank transfer, and cash on delivery hide when we select plan. Now select another. Now loading again. Now you see all payment gateway. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.